Good morning, students. So today we are going to discussing the important question answers regarding junior intermediate botany for the academic year 2021 and 22. So first of all, so now I am explaining the important 8 marks question answers. 8 marks question answers. So the first question with a neat labeled diagram, describe the parts of mature angiosperm, embryo sac, mention the role of synergids. So this question is oftenly came in examination level in previous years. So that I am expecting this year also it will appear. So it is the most important. This question is in third unit, sexual reproduction in plants. So long answer question. It is in third unit. So most important, you should go through, prepare and write. And the second long answer, that is draw the diagram of a microsporangium and label its wall layers. Write briefly about the wall layers. So this question also present in third unit. So this question also oftenly came in examination level. This question also I am expecting appear in this academic year, so that you have to prepare well. And third question, this question also present in third unit. Describe the process of fertilization in angiosperm. This is also most important in examination level. So this question also I am expecting appear in examination level, so that prepare well. And also fourth question, this question also present in third unit. Write a brief account and agents of pollination. This question also oftenly came in previous years. This question also I am expecting it will appear in examination level IPE 2021 and 22. So that you have to put concentration. So if you prepare these 4 question answers, so you can able to write, you should able to write one from the 50-50 choices. So you have to prepare these 4 question answers and you should write one definitely. So these 4 question answers 1, 2, 3, 4. These questions are from third unit, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So be prepared, and from which one question definitely it will appear in examination level. And next, when you go to the fifth question, describe the transfer section of dicot stem. So this question present in 6th unit, transfer section of dicot stem. And 6th question, describe the transfer section of monocot stem. This question also present in 6th unit. Whereas 7th question, describe the internal structure of a dicot root, which is also present in 6th unit. And 7th also present in the 7th unit. 8th also, describe the internal structure of the monocot root. So this question also present in 6th unit. So total 5, 6, 7, 8. These questions are in 6th unit. If you prepare 4, you should write only 1. So that you have to prepare well. 4 and you should write the 1. So total from 8 to 2 will come in examination level. So you should get benefit if you prepare 8. So if you prepare 8, you should write 2 question answers in 8 marks question answers. So that you have to put concentration to read these 8 question answers. You should write 2. You definitely will get the 16 marks. You know that each question carry 8 marks. So if you write 2, you will get 16 marks in third section. So already you know that the question paper have 3 sections: first section, second section, third section. First section consists of 2 marks question answers. Second section consists of 4 marks question answers, and the third section consists of 8 marks question answers. So now I explained 8 marks question answers questions. So you have to put concentration. Now let us go to the 4 marks question answers. So explain binomial short answer questions, nothing but 4 marks question answers. Explain binomial nomenclature. It is the most important one, which is present in the first unit. And the second question, what are the characteristic feature of the euglenids? This is also present in first unit. And third question, give the silent features of the chrysophytes. This question also present in the first unit. Write the role of fungi in our daily life. This is also present in our in first unit. Give a brief account of prothallus. This is also present in the first unit. Differentiate between brown algae and red algae. This is also first unit. And up to 6 questions, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. These are first unit only. These, so total 6. So from which, if you prepare 6 from the first unit, you should write 2 question answers, so that you have to prepare well these 6 question answers which are present in the first unit. Next, let us go to the 7th one. So the 7th question is, describe any 2 special types of inflorescence. 8th one, describe the arrangement of floral members in relation to their insertion on thalamus. The flowers of many angiospermic plants which show sepals and petals differ with respect to the arrangement of sepals and petals in respective olds. Explain. And 10th one, describe any 4 types of placentations found in flowering plants and give an account of floral diagram. So now these up to 7, 9, 10, these are present in, these question answers are present in that is second unit. Describe any 2 types of special types of inflorescence. And so 7th, 8th, 9th, these and 10th also. So these questions, these 4 marks questions are present in second unit. So 7th question, 8th question, 9th question, 10th question. These questions are present in second unit, 4 marks questions. Next, go to the 11th one, give an account of floral diagram. 12th one, describe the essential parts of plants belonging to Liliaceae. Describe the essential organs of Solanaceae. And describe from up to 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. So these are present in fourth unit. Fourth unit. So 11th question, 12th question and 13th question. These questions are present in fourth unit. And next, the 14th question, describe cell organelle which contain chloroplast. This is present in the 5th unit. Differences between rough endoplasmic and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is present in 5th unit. Explain prophase of one meiosis. It is also 5th unit. Now 17th also present in the 5th unit, and 18th also in 5th unit only. through mention the key features of meiosis through redundantly described as a resting phase interface does not really involve rest comment. So this question this question also present in a fifth unit. Now 19th question, what are hydrophytes? Briefly discuss the different kinds of hydrophytes. 20, enumerate the morphological adaptations of hydrophytes. List out the anatomical of hydrophytes. Write a brief account of classification of xerophytes. Enumerate the morphological adaptations of xerophytes. Give in detail the anatomical adaptations of xerophytes. These question answers 19 to 24, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. These are present in the 7th unit. 7th unit. From 19th to 24, these questions present in the 7th unit. So welcome back. Important questions discussion regarding to junior intermediate botany. So today I am explaining the very short answer questions, that is 2 marks question answers. So the first question is, what is systematic? What is systematics, which is present in the first unit. What does ICPN stand for, which is present in the first unit. Define metabolism and what is the differences between anabolism and catabolism. This is also present in first unit. Give the scientific name of mango. Identify the generic name and specific epithet. This is also present first unit. So fifth question, how are viroids differ from viruses? First unit. Name 2 diseases caused by the mycoplasma. First unit. State 2 economically important uses of heterotrophic bacteria. First unit. Give the main criteria used for classification of whittaker. First unit. What do the term mycobiont and picobiont signify? First unit. Who is popularly known as father of botany? What was book is written by him, which is also present in the first unit. Why is Mendel considered as father of genetics? First unit. Who discovered the cell and what was the book written by him? First unit. So what is paleobotany? What is its use? First unit. Which group of plants are called amphibious of plants? Name the branch botany which deals with them. This is also first unit. What was the contribution of Linnaeus for the development of plant taxonomy? So which is present in first unit. Who are herbals and what are the books by written them? First unit. What is the basis of classification, which is also present in the first unit. Name different methods of vegetative reproduction in bryophytes. First unit. Name the gymnosperms which contain mycorrhiza and coralline roots. First unit. Mention the fern characters found in cycas. First unit. Differentiate between racemose and cymose inflorescence. Second unit. What is the morphology of cup-like structure in the cyathium? In which family it is found? Second unit. What type of inflorescence found in pig tree and why does the insect blastophaga visits the pig tree? This is also second unit. Differentiate actinomorphic from zygomorphic flower. Second unit. How do the petals in pea plant are arranged with what is such type of arrangement called? Second unit. What is meant by epiphytous condition? Give an example. Second unit. Differences between apocarpus and syncarpus. Second unit. Define placentation. What type of placentation found in the dianthus? Second unit. What is omega taxonomy? Fourth unit. What is the natural system of classification? Name the scientist who followed this. This is the also fourth unit. Explain Explain the scope and significance of numerical taxonomy. Fourth unit. Write the floral formula of Solanum plant. Fourth unit. Give the technical description of ovary in Solanum. Fourth unit. Give the technical description of Allium cepa. Fourth unit. What is the significance of vacuole in a plant cell? Fifth unit. What does S refer in a 70S and 80S? Fifth unit. Give an example for each of amino acid, sugar, nucleotide. Fifth unit. Given that average duplication of time of equally 20 minutes, how much time will two equally cells to take become 32 cells? Fifth unit. If a tissue has a given time 1024 cells, how many cycles of mitosis had the original parental single cell undergone? Fifth unit. An anther has 1200 pollen grains. How many pollen grains, pollen mother cells must be have been there to produce? This is also fifth unit. Alright. So 40 question. An anther has 1200 pollen grains. How many pollen mother cells must have been there to produce them? This is also fifth unit. So 41. Name the type of land plants that can tolerate the salinities of the seventh unit. Define hydrophytes and zeophytes. Give example. Seventh unit. Define population and community. Seventh unit. Define communities. Who classified plant communities into hydrophytes, mesophytes, xerophytes? This is also seventh unit. 45. Hydrophytes show reduced xylem. This is also 7. So from 41 to 45, these are the 7 units. So these are the 2 marks question answers you must prepare. Most important examination for the academic year 2021 and 22.